can hear is those two dumb bitches out there.
They're calling us bitches, Hoover.
Go ahead, girls. You guys just go ahead and talk amongst yourselves there.
There's really nothing to say about me, but that Rhonda, she's...
I love the way you go.
Hey, girlfriend. Yeah, go ahead there, see how to bake cakes. I like your panties. That's okay. If you got them, that's all right. At least I know they're in good hands. Well, they're not in my hands.
It was Saturday night.
Well, those the leopard spot ones? Yeah, the leopard spot ones with the crunchy crotch. They're not in my hands. I got them on my ass.
Hey, Rhonda, Hoover, did you guys have a busy night last night? It was Saturday night.
I made $6.
Yeah, the girl, cowgirl.
Yeah, I was down there in the, I don't know, in Corona area. There's this guy named Jeffrey down there, and he satisfied me all night. Did he lick it? Oh yeah, he had his head down there.
I licked it till the hair was gone.
She doesn't have any, she shaves it.